In today's video, I will show you how to publish a Qualtrics survey. First, open your browser, go to the official site of Qualtrics, and make sure you are logged in. Once you are on the home page, find the project you want to publish and open it. Publishing your survey is the final essential step that pushes your changes live to the internet, allowing you to actually start collecting real responses from your participants. Once you are inside your survey builder, click on the Publish button located at the top right corner of your screen. A small menu will appear where you can add a brief description for your version history, which is highly useful for tracking edits over time, and then click Publish to make it active. A confirmation window will pop up showing that your survey is officially live, and you can now click Copy Link and share it to anyone you like to start gathering data. And that's it! That's how you publish a Qualtrics survey.